BBQ Bill back here, and everybody wants to know what in the world is about wrapping. Wrapping, either in butcher paper or in foil, will help complete the cook a lot quicker. That's the purpose of wrapping. Meats such as brisket, beef ribs, pork butt, which is actually pork shoulder, tri-tip, other types of meats that you're trying to get up into the 190 to 210 internal temperatures. So wrapping helps that. So what about butcher paper versus foil? Foil is going to get your cook done quicker. It keeps the heat within, the moisture, the steam, and it helps get the meat up to temperature quicker. Butcher paper, the positives are that it breathes. Okay, so it breathes. It allows air to come through to a degree and helps you preserve that bark on the outside of that meat. Whereas on foil, you may not be able to get all that bark to stay because it's so hot on the inside. Those are the differences. Another positive for using foil, you're going to be able to keep that juice, that odd juice that comes through. And you can use it as you open up the meat and just pour it right on and saturate that meat and make it absolutely fantastic for the people who are eating. Whereas butcher paper, it's all absorbed in, the juice is all absorbed into the paper. So you're not going to be able to keep the juice using butcher paper. So you have to make the decision as far as what you want to use. I use both depending on the situation, depending on the meat that I'm doing, depending on the people that are coming to eat. So there you go. The decision to use butcher paper or foil for wrapping, and why do you use wrapping in the first place.